Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Riley Welch from 92 Social, and welcome to the YouTube page. Today, we are going to check in on LinkedIn. How can you start your business page from scratch in under 5 minutes? But before we get into today's video, make sure you head over to our other videos. We have how to add someone to your Facebook admin, 5 great social media tools, and 5 great useful tips for Canva. Great content on our YouTube page. Go on, check us out, and leave us with a comment. We've got some shorts flowing. We've got some TikToks on YouTube. Mind blown. A lot of great things. But with that being said, let's dive in to LinkedIn. So right now we are here on my personal LinkedIn page. As you can tell, the notorious headshot in the parking lot in Mississauga, Ontario. We have the header, join the 92 community. Join the 92 community, subscribe. But where to go? Okay, so you have logged into your LinkedIn page. What's the first step? Well, first, you'll head over to the top right where it says work. Click that. And this gives you an option with advertising. You can learn, post a job, or even get your insights on your page, which again, could be a different video, as well as a lot of different things. So we see here, you just kind of scroll down till you hit the create a company page. So let's click that bad boy. And it gives you 3 options. And then we have the company. This is what we want. Small, medium, or large businesses. So we're gonna head over there and click that. Again, now it's all about filling out your details. So the name, let's go with 92, there we go. There's my keyboard. So let's just say we are coming up with the name 93 Social. Again, creative on this channel. 93 Social. So your name here, and it looks like it's checked out, as well as LinkedIn. So when you put LinkedIn as your URL, it gives you linkedin.com/company, 93 Social. Can't believe I did that. And then you put in your website. So we're going to put 93social.ca. Is it going to accept it? Hey, there you go, it accepts it. All right, so then you scroll down to your company details, what industry you are in. Scroll down, broadcast, let's settle with broadcast media. Company size, how many people are in our company, our fake company, 93 Social. Let's go with more on the 0 employees. Then what type of company? This is where, yeah, it can get a little more in depth. Is it a partnership? Is it self-employed? Government agency, nonprofit, but let's go with self-employed. Perfect. Logo. All right. So yeah, this is where we can add in your logo. Well, that's funky. Whoa. So tagline. How about don't join the 92 Social community? Subscribe. So let's put copy test. This is thus. Ooh, we fancy. This copy test, this is fake. Perfect. And then yeah, you can verify, create page. And then there you go. You just created your own LinkedIn business page. You can get you can get into it a bit more, like add a description, location, where are you, customize button. So this is more of the like call to action. So like right here, visit website, sign up, learn more, contact us, or register, depending on what your business is. But for 93 Social, let's put visit website. And then it already has the URL ready to go, but it gives you a little button preview of what it's going to look like. This is how you create a LinkedIn business page in less than 5 minutes. If you have any questions about social media or just for me at 92 Social, not 93 Social, hit me up, riley@92social.ca. Make sure you check out all the other videos that we have on our channel. And don't forget, we have a course, a 92 Social Intro to Instagram. Got pumped. Intro to Instagram. You get 2 free hours with me if you provide me the keyword, the promo code that we released in the course. And we also have an Etsy store full of templates. And remember, join the 92 Social community. Have a great day. Take care.